Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Adobe In this video tutorial, you'll be learning the easiest way to remove objects from photos. As you can see, the dog is there, so now I've removed the dog. So I'll be showing you how to do it. So let's begin. Now you go to your Google Chrome on your phone, then you type in Adobe Firefly, as you can see. Then you click on the first option there, that's it, Adobe Firefly Create with Generative AI. So when you click on it, it's going to load. Then click on Create Now. Now it's loading. After I've clicked on that, so if this is your first time, you have to register with your email. So I've already registered with mine. So as you can see, this is the desktop mode. So this using my phone, I put it in desktop mode. As you can see, this is how it look like. So if you want to know how to do that, let me show you. You click on the three dots at the top there. Let me show you once more, just a second. As you can see, that's those three dots at the top of your phone there. Then click on it. So as you can see, I've ticked the desktop site, as you can see, that's it here. So I've clicked on it, so to bring it very well so you can view everything. So as you can see, apart from that, these are the other things you can do: text to image, text to video. As you can see, buzz, scene to images are the AI stuff you can do there, image to video. Then the other one too, you can do the text to vector. But the one we're doing now is how to remove objects of people or anything in the photos. Now you click on the image, as you can see, that's it, that option there, image, you click on it. Now the next thing to click is generate fill. I'll click on that. This is it. Let me show you. This is it. So you click on it. Now the next thing is to upload the image. Click on upload image. So let me show you, that's it there, upload image. So I'm going to upload the image that I want to use to remove the object from. So let me scroll. That's it. So I've choose image. I've choose one image already. As you can see, this is the image. So this is what you want to remove. So you want to remove the dog there from the photo. So before you do that, I'll click on this one. This called remove. You click on remove. Then before I do that, let me click on this option for you. So we have the brush size, the brush hardness, and the brush opacity. So let me just leave it like that. Then click on remove. Now let me use my finger to do that. As you can see, I've done that with my finger. Scratch what I want to remove. Now the next thing is to click on remove. Click on remove. As you can see, now it's loading. So as you can see, as it's loading, it's going to give me 3 different images of one I like. So I'm going to choose the one that's perfect for the design or what I want to use it for. Wow, it's done. So I'm going to check it one by one. Look at this, the dog is out. Look at it. Wow, look at it, neat. As you can see, so I've removed the dog and the picture is still good, it's still clear. So let me check other one. Let me see the other design. So that's it. Let me show you 3 different images. As you can see, these are the 3 different images generated by the AI when the object, that is the dog, that is the object that is being removed. So let me see the other one. As you can see, this is the other one too as well, as you can see. So I'm going to choose the one, for example, let me choose this one. So this one is there. So go now, let us download it. So how do you download it? So you have to click on the top. There's an icon at the top there. Let me show you this icon. As you can see, is at the top there. So you are going to click on it to download the image. So click on it, then click on download. As you can see, download. So that's it. So let me click on download. As you can see, it's downloading. I click on that. Still downloading. Download the file down there. So let me click on open. So let me click on open. Wow, as you can see, the dog is gone, the object is gone there. So from this to this with the help of AI. If you are still watching this video tutorial and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now, as you can see. Then after I've done that, to click on the button there again, then click on all, then click on the bell icon. That's all for you to get all notification when I drop YouTube tutorials like this. Thank you very much. So if you want to watch other tutorials, so as you can see on your screen right now, you can watch more tutorials, videos, and reviews concerning graphics and any other things you want to do online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.